kiddos. And BTX Fabio and a couple of his friends from social media that wanted a convoy ride with us. Really? Really? BTX Fabio slab. You don't know that guy, but that's pretty clean. BATA. San Antonio, we here. No trucks in this show for us to this time of year, but LST and all the other shows, we're hoping for the best to have our stuff in it. But got the family, the Lightning McQueen B-Pack over here. I haven't been to this show in a while, and this is a different location from last time that I've been at. But there's plenty of people here, but I also thought it was gonna be a lot bigger. But still have pretty nice trucks here. We're gonna just walk around. Walls all got graffiti on them, which is pretty cool. A lot of art on there. Nice. They got I think that's the, I don't know what they're having over there, honestly. I know there's a dyno and a burnout pit here. You got the Mickey Thompsons over there. I actually need a set for the second gen. All these nice slick trucks. There's BTX Fabio ruining my video. Ugly.
I'm not supposed to be here.
Yeah, this thing is nice. Got the baby girl. Oh, leaning hard. Oh, this is Homeboy's truck. Yeah. The bags. Got this dually over here. It's super nice. Hell yeah. Mejor guardé su distancia porque ella me hice matrero.
That blue one is really good.
Ya se me acabó el miedo y lástima tengo a nada. Ya bailé con la más fea y bailé toda la tanda. El costal lleno de piedras.
I want one of these. Cruise around and it shows. Got the dyno over there.
Came to look at the trucks that are up top here where all the art is. Lead the way. little bit, get a little bit more content, and then see what's going on. And I got some stuff to pick up tomorrow for the old blue truck, so we'll see how that goes as well. Y'all stay tuned for that. It'll probably be in this video as well, but it'll be all tomorrow. I mean, I don't mind lifted trucks at all whatsoever, but a wicked, lowered, fast, freaking gnarly, I mean, it don't matter if it's a Duramax. This is pretty clean. These bikes are nice too. Look at this thing though. That's crazy. This truck, I bet you, is so light. Thing rips probably. There's his Instagram. Ugly lady. Just a tip. What?
No, it's a tip.
Just a tip.
Because I was like, ooh, $1. I grabbed it.
Y'all sit down. Hurry up. Hurry up. Goofy head. Yeah, I know, bro.
I don't even need to order. I'll just eat what they do. Save money and I get to eat what it feels for me.
This guy. What?
I'm recording.
I'm recording.
You recording?
Yeah, that's right. That's right. Something like that. How about it? Almost like fucked up my talking. Mama. Hey, sit down. So, yeah, sit down. And you'll get food. Hey, she gets the first bite of my good food. Time to head home because this weather was crappy, but we ate good Mexican food. Got BTX Bobby on the cut, as usual. Can't see him. There he goes. Quick little pit stop at the old trusty Buc-ee's. Got BTX Fabio following me, man. What a creep. What a creep. Got the little bro. Like, what's up, man? yeah, I got that goofy head right there. Look at him. Look. Anyways. Yeah.
I did a whole lot of yapping.
Yeah, you did. You always do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let me show you my appreciation.
Whoa! This guy trying to rape me.
You going inside?
Nah, bro. I got the old lady going inside with me. You know, that's how I do around here, man. You know? Day after BATA. Now we're in a mission to go get us some goodies for this truck. Hope y'all like it, because I'm excited for it. Very, very excited. Hope she's excited too. Nah. But let's see how this day goes with this crappy weather. And I'll get some clips in of what we're getting. And hopefully it looks good on the truck when we put them on. With the care package, these were, I had already bought these a while back. I just traded tires, and they had all-terrains, and I traded for these. But I'm gonna polish them, either raffle them or just sell them outright. But the blue truck is getting some 2414s over here. Oh yeah. Dang. Yeah. Don't mind these previous owner stuff. Like this too. And this. And all this. All that's gonna get fixed. Don't worry. But for the meantime, we got a good deal on these. Brand new tires on them. May end up trading these for some Giovanni's or even some of those to go on here. We got little things to fix on these, but no big deal. But it's gonna look good. Weather's still crappy. I got stuff to work on still. But yeah, I'm excited. And first actual set of forces I've ever owned, honestly. Forged wheels at that. Well, I had Alcoas on my dually. I had 2214s in the front of my dually and regular size Alcoas 22s in the rear. But those were my actual, polishable forged wheels, whatever you want to call them, Alcoas, blah blah blah. But then I bought these from a friend of mine for a good price, and I was gonna run those on this truck. But then I came across this deal. I'm trading some work for them too, so really good deal actually, because they're really expensive. And plus these were, show me a receipt, about $12.50. Yeah, or $22.50. I'm sorry, for all the whole set of tires. The 24, 33, 1350, 24 tires. So, yeah. Load them up. Well, not load them up. They're already loaded up, of course. Can't even talk. I'm so tired from yesterday and today. But gonna get these unloaded, and gotta order some spikes for these, so I can be able to run these rims and tires. And then probably gonna go end up picking up my second gen for my buddy's house, because we were planning on working on it. But man, I've been so busy that I haven't been able to go to his house, which is like an hour away from me. But I'm gonna take off the radials so I can kind of drive around the second gen a little bit and put these on it. Clean them up real good, put them on there. And then I got surprise for mirrors. I need to do door handles. And then I got the Alpha Rex headlights and tail lights and third brake light coming in real soon. I probably either pick them up, which I wouldn't mind picking them up, because I rather pick them up because of the fact that some people do not care about people's packages getting delivered on the truck or whatever. They just toss them and throw them, and they're too damn expensive to not care about them, so yeah. And then I may actually get the truck painted sooner than I thought. Big maybe. It depends on the deal we're doing. Buddy of mine wants me to work on his truck. I don't usually do deals because I'd rather have money, and that's the type of business I'm trying to build as a work business. But he's a good friend of mine. He does a bunch of work for me. But for now, wheels, headlights, taillights, mirrors, door handles, gonna get slapped on real soon. Y'all stay tuned for that. But these, I mean, look at these, man. They look nice. May end up getting some floaters, caps, maybe, big maybe. But I'm excited, very excited. But that's the mission. That was the mission for today. I didn't really get much video footage of me picking these up, who I got them from, but dude knows who he is. Appreciate for the deal. Stay tuned for more, and definitely when I get the second gen back, y'all see more of it. I'll probably do a brief explanation of what's done to the truck and everything like that, because I don't think I've ever done that on any of the YouTube videos. Trying to do more talkative too, but trying to do something different with this truck, because all the trucks I've never really spent money on, like, really nice things like wheels, headlights, tail lights, and stuff like that, like built stuff or whatever. I've never even had rock lights on my trucks because of the fact that I'd rather spend my money on go fast parts. So I'm trying to do something different with this one, make it look super clean, super nice, drivable, just a daily truck. Once that's out the way, then I'm gonna just go crazy on the damn build. Go maybe 800 horsepower and maybe push the second gen up to maybe 12, maybe 1300 horsepower on it, and leave that at that, and then move on to my dually and do probably do powder coat frame. I mean, custom made traction bars. I mean, the whole 9 yards on that one. I want to go crazy, do a CM flatbed, big huge wheels, just go crazy on it. But for now, we're gonna go crazy on this and go crazy on second gen. So y'all stay tuned for all that too. So we finally got the spikes in, spike lugs. Went ahead, already did one wheel, and that's what it looks like. So now to do the rest. What it looks like with the wheels on. I've been getting off work late, so daytime hasn't been around to give me a good footage, but man, it looks really good. I need to wash it now once good weather comes around. Let me know what y'all guys think. Man, I really appreciate y'all, those who still watch, that are continue watching my stuff. I know I'm not as consistent as consistent as I should be, but I'm working to that point. Bear with me on that stuff. I know I say a lot of things, and it's like life comes in like T-bones you, and it throws you off on plans. But man, I really appreciate you guys that still watch everything, all the truck content. I know I want to do podcast stuff too, talking about these trucks. I'm just trying to find time and kind of make a little spot, you know, at my home to do all this stuff and be able to work into where I can still have family time and mess with all these trucks and work, and then also do my side business I have at the house with all this decent repair and performance stuff that I got going on. But man, I really do appreciate you guys watching my stuff. I mean, I know I don't have a lot of views, but man, every view counts. And those that always consistency watch my stuff, I don't know if I said that correctly, but you know what I mean. The ones that always stay watching my stuff repeatedly, or even always, I get a lot of direct messages about, hey man, when's your next YouTube video? Or hey man, you should do this, or how's your truck going? What's the update on them? And always asking me questions about this stuff, and it's like, yeah, you know, I respond with a lot of love and everything, and I try to, like, y'all bear with me, you know, like, I'm not really like saying I get a bunch of that, but I do get quite a few, you know, friends and followers and that like all my stuff, like my trucks, and I really appreciate you guys. So y'all bear with me with some things, you know, because I'm doing this whole dad life thing, family life thing, and trying to fit everything together for it to all work for us. But yeah, man, I really appreciate it. I hope y'all enjoy this video. Until next time.